Hi, it's Brian Land with Lucidworks. In this 3-minute video, we're going to show you the power of neural hybrid search. And what is neural hybrid search? It's essentially combining the best of both worlds, your lexical search and your semantic search. So this is applicable to both B2B and B2C, as well as Lucidworks SaaS and self-hosted customers. And we quickly want to show a customer of ours, New Pig. We have this internal data because I'll show you a toggle we're going to use here in a minute. But I want to show you really quickly the power of lexical search. So New Pig is the world's best stuff for leaks, drips, and spills. Think about, for example, a search on socks. Now, these aren't the socks you put on your feet, but in this case, these are absorbent socks. Maybe you have a construction site, you want to soak up oil, runoff, rain, and things like that. Now, what we see is we look at our query analytics from our customers, is they also search by part number. This is where lexical search is really important versus a vector database only search. So I searched on BOM 203 and it found the spaghetti boom. See the part number here, it was exact match. But what we found is you can also get that precision if you're putting spaces, hyphens, which is a very common issue in a lot of sites. Customers maybe miss a couple of numbers off a part number. And so you'll see BOM dash or space 203, you're getting that same part number. So that's the power of lexical. I want to show now the power of semantic side. So again, this is internal data. I'm going to disable NHS. And this is a common problem for both B2C sites, B2B and B2C, but I did more of a long tail search this time, storage for fire hazardous tanks. And, we're sorry, no results because there weren't the exact keyword hits that's on the product record. But if I turn on NHS, there we go. We got got my top 3 results. The just right flammable safety cabinet. So you hear the semantic flammable is close to fire hazardous and cabinet is close to tanks, storage for tanks. So I can put some tanks in here and that's the beauty. And so we also have some internal tooling so you can weight. This is no code. You can simply drag and drop. How much weight do I want to apply to lexical versus semantic? So that's my quick demo on neural hybrid search. It's very easy to implement. It's no code, just turn it on, it's ready to go. And we believe neural hybrid search is the future of search. Thank you very much for your time today. Talk to you later.